Welcome to this deep dive. Today we're zeroing in on two little English phrases that often cause a bit of trouble. Used to and be used to.
Mm-hmm. They look almost the same, don't they?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But their meanings, well, they're pretty different.
That's right. And it's a distinction that's actually quite important for speaking clearly.
Yeah.
So, our mission today.
Yeah, let's break them down. We want to explain the difference simply, use some clear examples so you can, really get the hang of using them correctly.
Sounds good. Where should we start? Maybe with used to plus a verb.
Okay, yeah. Used to plus the base verb. Like, I used to live in New York. Or maybe she used to play piano. What's the core idea here?
Well, the main thing, the absolute key, is that used to talks about the past. Always the past.
Right.
It describes a habit you had or a situation that was true for you, but crucially, it's not true anymore. It's finished.
Ah, okay. So I used to live in New York basically means I don't live there now.
Precisely. And she used to play piano implies, well, she stopped playing. Doesn't play these days. It marks a definite end to that past activity or state.
Got it. So it's really locked into the past. Can we have another couple of quick examples just to sort of cement that idea?
Sure. How about he used to smoke, but he quit? See? The used to smoke part is clearly a past habit that ended.
Okay, yeah, the quitting makes it obvious.
Or we used to go to the beach every summer. That suggests it was a regular thing back then, but maybe, things have changed.
Right. And this brings up a point about pronunciation and spelling too, doesn't it? You need that sound.
Yes, absolutely, because it's past tense. You wouldn't say I used to go when talking about a past habit.
No.
It has to be I used to go, with that distinct det sound at the end, even though the flip spelling is there.
Okay, clear. Used to for past habits or states, now finished. Got it. So let's switch gears then. What about be used to? This one's followed by a noun or a verb with ing.
Yeah, this is where the meaning shifts quite a bit.
Yep.
Be used to isn't about the past ending. It's actually about the present.
It's present, okay.
It's about being familiar
Yeah.
or accustomed to something now. It means something feels normal or comfortable for you currently.
So if I say, I am used to the cold, that means the cold weather is okay for me now. Like, I've adapted.
Exactly that. Maybe it was difficult at first, but now, no problem. You're acclimatized. Or take, she is used to waking up early.
Okay.
That just means waking up early is part of her normal routine now. It feels ordinary to her. She's accustomed to it.
Right. And the structure is key here, isn't it? You need that be verb am, is, are, was, were, then used to, and then either a noun,
like the noise. He's used to the noise.
or that verb ending in ing, like working late. We are used to working late.
Yes, that ing form, the gerund, or a noun is crucial after be used to. It signals you're talking about familiarity with an activity or a thing.
Okay, this distinction feels really important. Let's try putting them directly side by side.
Good idea.
So, used to plus verb. Past habit, not true now. Example, I used to live in Japan.
Meaning, lived there before, but I don't now. Simple past fact.
Right. Then, be used to plus noun or ing verb. Current comfort or familiarity. Example, I am used to living in Japan.
Meaning, living there feels normal to me now. I'm accustomed to it. It's about my present state of adaptation.
That really highlights the difference. The be verb makes it about now. Can we do one more quick contrast?
Sure. Think about coffee. I used to drink coffee every day.
Implies, I stopped.
Probably, yes. It was a past habit. But I'm used to drinking coffee every day.
Ah, that means it's still my habit and it feels completely normal. I'm accustomed to that caffeine.
Exactly, you got it. The am signals current familiarity with the habit.
Okay, I think we're ready for a super quick quiz. Just 3 questions. You ready?
Let's do it.
Question 1, fill in the blank. He, her, and waking up early.
Okay, that describes a current state of being accustomed to it. So it has to be is used to. He is used to waking up early.
Perfect. Question 2, I have long hair when I was younger.
When I was younger clearly signals the past, and it's something not true now. So, I used to have long hair.
Right. Last one. The traffic in the city now. The key word is now.
Now tells us it's about their current state. They've become accustomed, so are used to. They are used to the traffic.
Excellent. Okay, so wrapping this up, the fundamental difference really boils down to time and meaning, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Used to, plus your base verb that's looking back at finished habits or states, past tense only,
And be used to plus a noun or that ing verb that's about your current state, being familiar, comfortable, accustomed now.
Exactly. One points back where the other points to the present feeling or situation.
Hopefully breaking it down like this makes it much clearer for you listening. It's one of those nuances that can make a big difference in sounding natural.
It really is. And honestly, once you start noticing it and practicing a bit, using them correctly will start to feel, well, normal, second nature even.
So a final thought to leave you with. English is full of these little pairs that look similar but mean different things. Keep your ears open for them. The more you notice, the faster you learn. And remember, keep practicing and you'll get used to English complexities in no time.